morning, friends. You are listening to Daily Morning Podcast. I am Devarsh from HDFC Securities. Today it is 1st of June. Markets to open higher as Trump's action against China was more bark than bite. US stocks indexes ended mostly higher Friday and booked sharp gains for the week and month after a news conference from President Donald Trump on China turned out to be not as disruptive to trade and finance as had been feared. Markets were anticipating something more stringent than what was announced. India's fiscal deficit for FY20 widened to 4.59% of the GDP, overshooting government target of 3.8%. This is an area of concern as the deficit in FY21 will be even more given the poor revenue collections. The Q4 FY20 GDP number came in better than expected at 3.1%, though the downward revision in the previous three quarters takes away some of the positivity. The poor data on growth of India's 8 infrastructure sectors, contracting by a whopping 38% in April, was partly on expected lines. Amongst corporate news, Dr. Reddy's API plant at Sri Kalakulam in Andhra Pradesh has received EIR from US FDA. Sun Pharma has received an approval from DCGI to initiate clinical trials for nafamostat in COVID-19 patients. HCL Technology has announced to acquire Cisco's self-optimizing network technology for Rs 377 crore. Wipro has named Thierry Delaporte as Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director for the company. India has completed the slump sale of its manufacturing plant at Ankleshwar. Adani Power Board to discuss delisting of a share from the bourses on June 3rd. RCF, Jubilant Life, Amar Raja Batteries, Voltas, Equitas Holding, Amber Enterprises, Sundaram Clayton, VMart Retail, Advanced Enzyme, KC International, Symphony, 3M India, and Polycab India. All these companies have reported their numbers. Kindly refer to our morning report, The Daily, for more details. Lockdown in India has been extended to June 30th, albeit with a lot of relaxation in non-containment zones. This could bring some positivity in the market today. Technically, Nifty has closed at the highest point for the month. Following the week-on-week gains, Nifty could rise further towards 9753, while 9440 to 9511 could provide important support on the downside. Have a profitable day ahead. Thank you for listening.